Ready to blast your USDT from Binance to the secure vault of your Metamask wallet? First, if you haven't already, download and set up your Metamask wallet, the gateway to your decentralized world. Make sure you store your seed phrase in a safe and secure location. Next, we need to connect Metamask to the Binance Smart Chain network. As USDT often resides there, click the network drop-down menu, typically set to Ethereum mainnet. From the drop-down menu, select Add Network. This will open a new window where you can input the Binance Smart Chain details. Now, manually input the Binance Smart Chain network details. Network name Binance Smart Chain. New RPC URL https://bsc data c binance org/ chain ID 56 currency symbol BNB. End block explorer URL https://bscs.com. Then click Save. Great, you should now see Binance Smart Chain as your selected network. Look just below the network name to find your wallet address and copy it. Head over to your Binance account and navigate to the USDT withdrawal page. Paste your copied Metamask wallet address into the recipient address field. Be absolutely sure to select the Binance Smart Chain BP20 network, as the transfer network. Selecting the wrong network could result in permanent loss of your funds. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Pay close attention to the gas fees, which will be deducted from the total. Double check all the details before confirming the withdrawal. After confirming, it will take a few minutes for the transaction to process on the blockchain. Once confirmed, your USDT will appear in your Metamask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain network.